Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery. All we have is the present. Some people read history, but some people make history. 21-day challenge, day 18. Let's make history. If you want to make history, you can give the present a present. History is all about wars, history is all about codes, and history is all about people who created history. Who can forget the seven wonders of the world? The historical wonder, we created Statue of Unity. We have created history. During COVID, we have created vaccines, thereby creating history. Landing on the moon, mission to Mars. So history can be created, history can be quoted. Some historical quotes. Lokmanya Tilak said, Swaraj माझा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार आहे. Who can forget that? Martin Luther King said, I have a dream. Swami Vivekananda said, brothers and sisters of America, the iconic speech, arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. On the death of Tanaji Malusure and capturing Sinhagad Fort, Shivaji quotes, Gad ala, pan Sinha gela, meaning we got the fort but lost the lion. Sinhagad. बाजीराव कोटेड, बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है, अय्याशी नहीं. डॉक्टर अंबेडकर who wrote the Constitution of India, he quoted, I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. Subhash Chandra Bose Babu said, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Gandhi ji said, if nobody walks with you, walk alone. If nobody walks with you, walk alone. Create a one-man army. So, some people read history, some people write history, some people make history. So, be the person who reads history to make history, to give the present a present by giving it a historical present. So, let's make history. Thank you.